Hello, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. We're delving into an exciting topic today. Imagine a world where your morning coffee is brewed by a robot barista, where your mail is delivered by an automated drone, where your news is written by an artificial intelligence. This is not some distant sci-fi future, but a rapidly approaching reality. The era of automation is upon us, and it's transforming the way we live, work, and play. Robots and artificial intelligence are making strides in every field, from healthcare to hospitality, from manufacturing to media. It's an exhilarating time, but it also poses some big questions. What will happen to our jobs in the face of this robot revolution? Which professions are most at risk of being automated? And above all, what job is most likely to be replaced by robots? Now you might be wondering, what job is most likely to be replaced by robots? Let's dive in. The concept of automation isn't new. It has been progressively replacing manual labor for centuries. From the primitive pulley systems of ancient civilizations to the modern high-speed assembly lines, automation has been a constant driver of progress. Let's take a quick journey through time. Picture the Industrial Revolution, a time of steam and steel. Born in the late 18th century, this era marked the first major leap in automation. Factories replaced workshops, and machines replaced artisans. The steam engine, the spinning jenny, the power loom. These inventions transformed the way we work. They increased productivity, reduced labor costs, and ushered in a new age of mass production. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, and we encounter another wave of automation. The computer revolution. Computers, with their capacity to process vast amounts of data, began to take over tasks that were previously done by humans. From data entry to number crunching, computers brought about an unprecedented surge in efficiency. And then came the 21st century, the age of artificial intelligence. With advancements in machine learning and robotics, AI has started to automate not just manual labor, but cognitive tasks as well. It's not just about assembling cars or crunching numbers anymore. Today, AI can diagnose diseases, write articles, even compose music. But it's not all about the past. The future of automation is equally, if not more, fascinating. We're now seeing the rise of self-driving cars, drones, and even automated stores. The possibilities seem limitless, and with every passing day, automation is becoming more and more sophisticated, capable of performing tasks we once thought were exclusively human. In all this, there's a clear trend. Automation has been, and continues to be, about replacing repetitive manual tasks with machines. But as technology advances, the scope of what can be automated is expanding. As we stand on the brink of a new era, one question looms large. Which job is most susceptible to automation? According to a study by McKinsey, about half of all work activities globally could be automated using existing technology. That's a staggering statistic, isn't it? Let's delve into the specifics, shall we? First off, we have jobs in the manufacturing sector. These roles are particularly susceptible to automation, given the repetitive nature of the tasks involved. Picture a factory assembly line where robots perform the same tasks over and over, with a precision and speed that humans simply can't match. Next, let's consider the retail industry. With the advent of self-checkout kiosks and online shopping platforms, the need for human cashiers and salespeople is diminishing. Moreover, consider the rise of automated warehouses. Robots are now picking, packing, and shipping orders, reducing the need for human intervention in the process. Now, onto the realm of data entry. With the advent of machine learning and artificial intelligence, tasks such as data input, analysis, and even report generation can be automated. Software bots are now capable of performing these tasks with a high degree of accuracy and efficiency, thereby reducing the need for human data entry operators. But it's not just these sectors. Automation is creeping into various other industries as well. Truck driving, for instance, is facing the threat of self-driving vehicles. Even jobs in the food service industry like chefs and waitstaff are not immune, with robotic chefs and automated food delivery systems becoming increasingly prevalent. However, amidst this wave of automation, there is one job that stands out as the most vulnerable, the most likely to be replaced by robots. It's a role that's integral to many industries and one that many of us interact with on a daily basis. But there's one job that stands out as the most likely to be replaced. Can you guess what it is? Stay tuned as we reveal this role in the next scene. The answer might just surprise you. Drumroll please. The job most likely to be replaced by robots is truck driving. Yes, you heard it right. The humble truck driver, the backbone of logistics and supply chains across the globe, finds themselves in the crosshairs of automation. Why truck driving, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the rapid development of autonomous vehicles. The technology behind these driverless machines is advancing at a breakneck pace, and it's not just about making our cars smarter, it's about revolutionizing the entire transportation industry. Imagine highways filled with self-driving trucks, efficiently transporting goods from one location to another without the need for rest stops or driver changes. A world where logistics become faster, cheaper, and more efficient. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles, and it's a promise that companies like Tesla and Waymo are working tirelessly to fulfill. Tesla, a name synonymous with electric vehicles and innovative technology, is making strides with its autopilot feature, which they claim will eventually enable full self-driving capabilities. On the other hand, Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, the parent company of Google, has been testing its autonomous trucks in various US states and has shown promising results. But it's not just about the tech giants. Startups worldwide are joining the race, each bringing their unique approach to the table, aiming to perfect the technology and make self-driving trucks a reality. The driving force behind this trend? It's a combination of factors. The potential for cost savings is massive. Autonomous trucks can operate round the clock without the need for rest, dramatically increasing efficiency. Furthermore, they're expected to be safer, reducing the number of accidents caused by human error. While it may seem bleak for truck drivers, there's a silver lining. Want to know what it is? The rise of the robots doesn't mean the end of human jobs. Yes, you heard it right. As we find ourselves in the midst of a technological revolution, it's easy to assume that machines will soon replace us. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Automation isn't the villain in our story, it's a tool, an ally even, that has the potential to create new jobs and opportunities. It's all about perspective. For every job lost to automation, there's a new one waiting in the wings, birthed by the very technology that's changing the game. Think about it. With more robots and AI systems comes the need for more people to design, build, program, and maintain them. These are jobs that didn't even exist a few decades ago. Take, for instance, the burgeoning field of robotics. As robots become more commonplace, we'll need an army of roboticists to keep them running smoothly. These are the folks who'll design the robots, program them, troubleshoot any issues, and update their software as needed. It's a whole new world of work that's just waiting to be explored. Then there's AI. It's not just about creating intelligent machines, it's about understanding them too. AI ethicists are tasked with studying the moral implications of AI and ensuring its responsible use. Data scientists, on the other hand, are needed to analyze the massive amounts of data that these machines generate. And let's not forget about the educators. As technology advances, we'll need more people to teach others how to use it. Tech trainers and digital literacy educators are already in demand, and that's only set to increase as more of our lives become digitized. In essence, the rise of automation isn't a death knell for jobs. It's a clarion call for adaptability, for innovation, for a new kind of literacy that embraces technology and harnesses it for good. So while some jobs may be on their way out, new ones are being created. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together to create a better, more efficient world. So there you have it, folks. The job most likely to be replaced by robots is truck driving. But remember, with every ending comes a new beginning. As we've delved into today, automation is on the rise, transforming our world in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few decades ago. The most vulnerable jobs, as we've learned, include those that involve repetitive tasks, like truck driving. Yet, it's crucial to remember that this isn't necessarily a doomsday scenario. As certain jobs become automated, new opportunities will emerge, opportunities that we may not even be able to envision yet. The silver lining in all of this? It lies in the potential for innovation, increased efficiency, and perhaps even the chance for us to engage in more fulfilling work. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What do you think about the rise of the robots? Comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next time, keep exploring.